You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Rocket to Nexuspay. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the steps, you have to confirm that your Rocket account is active and has a sufficient fund for the transfer. Then the next thing is to ensure that you are registered with your Nexuspay if not downloaded in the Nexuspay app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and complete the registration process. Then after that, you have to link your Rocket account to your Nexuspay. So open the Nexuspay app, then navigate to the Add Card section, then select Rocket as the card type, then enter your Rocket account number and follow the prompt to link your Rocket account to your Nexuspay. Then next thing is to initiate the transfer. So in the Nexuspay app, select the send money option, then choose Rocket as the payment method and enter the recipient Rocket number and the amount you wish to transfer. Then review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. And that's how you can simply send money from Rocket to Nexuspay. Find the video helpful, download the notification button, and subscribe for more.